Namaskar. Today we are making a classic Odia dish Kalara Sakara, a sweet and tangy bitter gourd curry that packed with flavors and tradition. Your Kalara Sakara is ready. Serve it warm with rice for perfect balance of bitterness, sweet and tangy. Enjoy this soulful Odia delicacy and bring a taste of Odisha to your table. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more traditional recipes. Thank you.